We're here at the pre-showdown. I'm here with Sebastian Day. You've got a big match coming up on the longest running weekly wrestling broadcast here on YouTube for W3L. You've got a match with Fulton King. It is Scotland versus Denmark. There must be some national pride on the line.
Ja, der er helt sikkert en masse national stolthed i den her kamp. Jeg kommer jo til at vise igen, at Danmark er bedre end Skotland. Vi har gjort det i fodbold, vi har gjort det i håndbold, vi har gjort det i alle former for sportsgren. Så nu er pro-wrestling jo bare det næste skridt for os at vise, at Danmark bare er bedre end Skotland.
And do you have a message for our English-speaking fans at W3L at all?
English speaking. Why should I pander down to your English speaking audience? You guys decided to vote the greatest thing ever called the European Union. That shows how ignorant all of you are. I speak English, I speak Danish, I speak Swedish. I'm learning Japanese right now. At least what you could do is learn how to speak Danish so you understand what I'm saying in my own language. And next time W3L wants to have an interview with me, they can at least send an interviewer with a bit more culture. Have a nice day.
BBC News.
Tune in this Sunday for the Wrestling Showdown on YouTube to see what happens.
BBC News.